What we're looking for in trading is an answer to a few questions. Which way is the market headed? What's my deal or discount? And if you do get it for a discount, can you sell it later for higher? This is your evolution of trading right here. These three things. If you're outside of these three parameters, you are not trading, you are gambling. Okay? Trading is nothing but another word for business. Okay? You are competing in this world of business, but the way you're doing that, you're saying, let's say you have PlayStations, okay? Something simple. So let's say you know PlayStations are hot these days. The latest PlayStation has been out for a while now. It's hot, but there's high demand for it. But there's not enough supply. If you find a way, let's say the PlayStation is currently valued at $500, for example, and you have a way to say, since not everyone can get it, can I get my hands on the PlayStation? And they say, well, one guy says, I have it, I'll give it to you for $505. You know the demand is there. So step one, check. You know it's going up. There is demand there. But step two is not a check. You are paying higher than current market prices, the average current market price. You want to get it lower. So if they say, I will give it to you for $450 if you buy a lot. Okay, you pick it up for a discount, and then because you know there is a demand, can you sell it for higher and say, I'm going to put it on eBay for $600? What is happening in a chart, when you look at a Forex chart, is this basic understanding of prices are going in a certain direction, and you're like, okay, I get that. Then the concept comes in, I'm not gonna run after it, I'm not gonna buy up in the sky because that's not a discount. So stage one is done. I know which direction it's headed. Stage two is, I need a better deal. I don't pay retail, I never did, I never will. So we're not gonna pay these prices up here. We want the deal to come in. As the deal comes in, and as you buy in the discounted rate, you wanna make sure you're able to sell it back higher. Okay? You want to be able to sell it higher while the demand is still ongoing.